Hey friends, when you encounter an error, an attempt was made to reference a token that does not exist, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Now this should solve the problem for most of the users because the issue was with the DLLs, and this scan is supposed to check for all the DLL files and replace them if possible. But here's one thing that you need to note. It will need a very long time. Don't just hit enter and then forget it and do nothing about it. Make sure that you don't restart your computer till the scan is complete, and don't close this page. The next solution is cloud reset, but before performing a cloud reset, you need to make sure that you back up all the information on your device, because a cloud reset will erase all the information on your computer. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, scroll down to the right pane and select recovery, click on reset PC, select remove everything, and then select cloud download. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.